Okay, hi, I want to demonstrate that this, I think it's called a Mega, no, I don't remember what it's called. It's not a transformer. I can't remember, but anyway, I want to show that it works. So you flip the switches here.
Let's do it.
It's already coming on. See?
Transform. Transform.
Okay, and this is the back of him, so I'm going to try to turn him around. Oh, gosh. It's kind of heavy, and my box is not doing well. Okay, and this is the front of him. And there is a piece missing right here. It's another kind of blade that goes here that's missing. And I forgot to show this one. There is a piece here. You see that? It's like a ball type of piece that's missing here. But other than that, everything is working. See?
Transform.
Okay. Thank you.